ABS-CBN.
Corazon Aquino po celebrated her 68th birthday sa bahay po ng kanyang eldest daughter na si Balsing.
At ni Pinky. Share sila dun sa garden.
Okay. Mga kaibigan, nagmistula pong People Power 2 dahil sa napakaraming prominent personalities ang umattend mula po sa mundo ng politika at showbiz. For the first time in many months, mga kaibigan, nag-duet po si Martin Rivera at saka si Pops Fernandez. Umawit din po si Jaja Padilla. Naroon din po ang ating mahal na megastar na si Sharon Cuneta. At higit sa lahat, I'm very proud dahil soulmate ko po ang talent coordinator.
Me?
Na si Chris Aquino. Doon sa pagdiriwang, mga kaibigan, tinanong po namin ng dating presidente kung ano po ang kanyang birthday wish. Narito po ang kanyang sinabi.
Oh, I think I've received so many blessings, and I want our people to have many more blessings, and especially for the poor, that they find better lives and that we help them attain that better life. My 68th birthday has really been just great, and I want to thank many of the people responsible for making it so happy. Many thanks to Franco Laurel, to Pops Fernandez, to Martin Rivera, to Sharon Cuneta, to Jaja Padilla. You made my birthday really special and so memorable for me and for all my friends.
Happy birthday, Tita Cory. Nakitita talaga. Happy birthday, and I wish you more power, and may you really have that strength of a woman to continue to lead us. I know that you're very strong, very brave, and you speak your mind. Sana po parating you stand up for what you believe in.
Tita Cory, a very happy birthday, and continue being the voice of the people and continue doing what you're doing, and you're truly an inspiration. She's given the color yellow a different meanings. Yellow means glory, and yellow means service, yellow means freedom.
Madam President, like I said a while ago, it was really an honor for me to sing finally for you, and I hope there'll be more occasions, many more occasions to come, wherein I'll be able to perform for you again. Happy birthday, and God bless you.
Well, I wrote it in the canvas earlier to a living heroine in Philippine society. Happy birthday.
Ate Putil, Lola.
Oh, very good.
Alam mo, Chris, kung marunong lamang ako umawit, aawitan ko ang mami mo ng 68 songs. Happy birthday, Mom. Di ba? 68 years
She was
old.
so thrilled, boy. I mean, it was the
Talaga?
happiest I've ever seen her, and thank you to all of those.
I'm so proud of you.
Yan.
Ikaw yung talent coordinator.
Ang galing, no?
Galing mo.
Hindi, ang galing talaga. Thank you very much kay Shasha, kay Sharon, kay Martin, kay Pops, at kay Franco. I just called them the night before, and they really willingly did it.
Alam mo, after all this,
That show would have cost $5 million had I produced it, di ba?
Are you charging your mom that?
Yeah.